In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to make sure your deposit shows up correctly in your books. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and hovering over the Create button to reveal the list of new transactions you can make. From that menu, choose Bank Deposit. This opens the deposit form, which is where you'll gather everything that's going into a single bank deposit. At the top, select the bank account you're depositing to. This should be the actual checking or savings account where the funds will land. Picking the correct account ensures the money posts to the right register and reconciles smoothly later. While you're here, check the deposit date so it matches the date on your bank slip whenever possible. Next, scroll to the deposit details. If you previously received customer payments to undeposited funds, you'll see them listed and can simply select the ones that were included in this physical or electronic deposit. If you're adding funds directly, use the lines under Add Funds to this deposit. In the Received From field, choose who sent you the money, usually the customer or payer. This helps you keep clean reporting and makes it easier to answer questions about who paid what. In the Account or Category column, pick where the income should go. For sales, that's typically your sales or service income account. If it's something else, like a rebate or owner contribution, choose the appropriate account so your financial statements stay accurate. Add a clear description to capture context, such as the invoice numbers or the purpose of the deposit. Good descriptions save time when you or your accountant review transactions later. Select the payment method that best matches what you're depositing, like cash, check, or card. Consistent methods help with reporting and audit trails. Finally, enter the amount for each line so the total matches the single deposit that hit or will hit your bank. If you're grouping multiple checks or cash into one bank trip, make sure the total equals the bank's deposit slip exactly. When everything looks right, click Save and New. That records the deposit and opens a fresh form if you have another one to enter. If you're done, you can choose Save and Close instead. Your deposit now appears in your bank register and will be ready to match during bank reconciliation. That's all there is to it. Clean, accurate deposits recorded in just a few clicks.